Are you selling your home? Well, let's stage it and make it shine. Stay tuned for 6 steps to stage your home. If you're going to sell your home, staging is one of the most important things you can do to get your home ready for its photos, online listing, and virtual tour. Buyers do all their preliminary research online, and your home has to look great. That's where staging comes in. There are 6 steps to staging. I like to call these the 6 Ds of staging. So let's dive right in. Okay, the first step is to de-personalize your home. This means removing any images or vestiges of you, such as pictures, framed photos, or portraits of your family. This also could include school calendars, children's artwork, or that soccer schedule that's on the fridge. Buyers need to envision themselves in your home, and it's hard to do if there's too much of you still in it. Okay, the second step is to de-funkify your home. What seems hip and cool to you could be totally offensive to a potential buyer. That means removing your prized taxidermy collection, your animal rugs, your son's beetle collection. In our case, our wonderful assortment of skulls and calaveras and Mexican folk art. That also includes removing any kind of a professed allegiance to a sports team, be it professional, collegiate, or otherwise. Your buyer could be rooting for the other side. And also any religious icons. You want to present your home as neutral territory as possible so everyone feels welcome. Step 3 is to declutter, donate, and discard. Since you're ultimately going to be moving, why pack and pay to move items that you no longer want, need, or use? Consider moving to be a gift. It's an opportunity to review your belongings, edit out what you no longer need, and curate what you want, use, or love. So start decluttering and sort your items into 3 categories: donate, discard, and keep. Get the donations and trash out so all that's left is what you want to take with you. Your goal should be clear surfaces and, if possible, and if you have the time, organize your closets, cabinets, and drawers. A professional organizer is a huge help in this stage of the process. Selling your home is a precursor to a move, so start packing now. Step number 4 is to downsize your belongings. Try to remove 30 to 50% of the items in your home so it appears spacious. Buyers want to know that their items will fit in your home, and if it looks like you're bursting at the seams, they'll think there's no way that their stuff can fit either. Pack up all the seasonal clothing, kitchen appliances and dishes you're not using, holiday decorations, memorabilia, and any other items you won't immediately need to access during the home selling process. At the same time, look at the furniture in your home. Can you remove some of it so that the rooms don't feel so crowded? Less is more. Give your home a feeling of lightness, airiness, and space. Step number 5 is deep clean. You now have to give your home a good scrub down so it will be ready for all those showings. Clean windowsills, baseboards, carpets, and floors. Scrub your bathrooms and shower heads, crevices and grout. Clean your oven, microwave, and refrigerator. Wash exterior windows and power wash siding, patios, and decks. Get your home ready for its close-up. Step number 6 is the fun part. You now get to decorate and dress your home up like it's going to a party. Add plants and a new welcome mat to the entry, a colorful throw or pillows to your sofa, and a bowl of fruit in the kitchen. Consider investing in new bedding for all the beds and sets of new towels for the bathrooms. Hang mirrors to enlarge a room or add artwork to bring in color. Style bookshelves so there are fewer books and only a few tchotchkes, nothing smaller than a melon, on the shelves. The finished product will be a home cleared of clutter and putting its best foot forward. I hope this video has inspired you and shown you how easy it is to stage your home. If you follow these 6 steps, you'll be ahead of the game and that much closer to selling your home. Not only faster, but for more money too. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you've liked this video, I would love it if you give a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary wishing you, from my home to yours, a very happy, organized day.